Signature by that X, and then initial over by this X. Perfect. Let me get you a copy.
All right.
If there's any issues at all, give us a call. Our number's right there on top.
Hey, today's an exciting day.
Indeed, indeed.
Thank you, buddy.
Have a great rest of your day.
Okay. Okay, guys, today's an exciting day. We got our package here from Laser Marking Technologies. We got a Dominator. Okay, CO2 laser. I am super excited. We're going to put it right next to our other one. And it's cold out here, so we're going to get these moved in. Hey everybody, so we got our new Dominator CO2 from Laser Marking Technologies in the house. So we got the monitor hooked up, we got our keyboard on here. A lot of the accessories came inside here. Okay, so we got them all out. Beautiful, hardcore, all powder coated, heavy duty. Okay, we have our filter system. All of the fumes and so on and so forth. We can take care of all of that. I just want to thank Laser Marking Technologies. They've been a great partner to work with. They're a TV sponsor. They're just an amazing company. Their technical department is amazing. If you guys are looking for a laser for your gun shop, okay, I would highly recommend Laser Marking Technologies. We got the Dominator CO2, and we got the Cobalt Marksman. This is our fiber laser. So I just want to say thank you to these guys. You guys are the best.